Do you want to speak English more confidently? In this video, you'll learn 15 common English words starting with the letter C, with meanings, examples, and pronunciation. Let's make your vocabulary stronger today.
Call. To contact someone by phone or to shout for attention. I'll call you when I get home. Why didn't you call me last night? Calculate. To find a number or answer using math. He used a calculator to calculate the total cost. He always calculates how much something will cost. Cabinet. A piece of furniture with shelves or drawers. She keeps her dishes in the kitchen cabinet. My mom told me to put my stuff into this cabinet. Cable. A thick wire that carries electricity or data. Please plug the cable into the TV. This channel is only available on cable. Cake. A sweet dessert made with flour, sugar, and eggs. Do you want some birthday cake? We baked a chocolate cake for her birthday. Camera. A device used to take photos or record videos. She bought a new camera for her trip. The camera stopped working during the trip. Calmly. In a peaceful or relaxed way. She waited calmly for her turn. She spoke calmly even though she was upset. Calm. Peaceful and not excited or angry. She stayed calm during the storm. She had to keep calm at all costs. Can. To be able to do something, also a metal container. How can you be so confident? He opened a can of soda. Camp. A place where people stay in tents or cabins for a short time. They set up a camp near the river. The kids went to a summer camp in the mountains. Cancer. A serious disease caused by abnormal cell growth. She is raising money to fight cancer. A lot of cancers can now be treated successfully. Cancel. To stop or call off something that was planned. They decided to cancel the meeting. I'd like to cancel my order. Capable. Having the ability or skill to do something. I'm quite capable of taking care of myself. He is capable of leading the team successfully. Candy. A sweet treat made from sugar. Making candy at home is not difficult. The children shared their candy after the party. Candidate. A person applying for a job or position. He is the leading candidate for the job. Each candidate must answer 3 interview questions.